Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. I had some leftover keema and look what I made. Delicious, gorgeous, yummy pizza. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
So I got store-bought pizza crust and tomato sauce.
Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit and look at the pizza sauce spread here.
And I have some leftover keema. There's a chicken keema, so I'm just going to sprinkle it just quick and easy with the leftover stuff. So just sprinkle it instead of using chicken stripes or any other flavors. So let's use that. And now I have my favorite combination, pineapple and onion. Sprinkle some cheese of your choice.
Add toppings of your choice. I'm using onion and pineapple. Bake this for 350 Fahrenheit for about 10-15 minutes until it's golden brown. Look at this, my keema pizza is ready in no time. I hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.